You have been hearing this name everywhere lately. SUI. People are talking about it in crypto groups, on YouTube, on X, everywhere. And honestly, a lot of people are confused. Is it a new coin? Is it just another hype? Is it worth paying attention to? Don't stress about it. Your brother Charlie is here to make you understand everything clearly and simply. Let's start from the very beginning. SUI is the native cryptocurrency of the SUI blockchain. And the SUI blockchain is something genuinely different from what we have seen before. It was built by a company called Mistin Labs, and the people behind Mistin Labs are not random developers. These are former engineers from Meta, the company that owns Facebook and Instagram. They were the same team that worked on Meta's ambitious blockchain project called Diem. When Meta shut that project down, these brilliant minds didn't stop. They took everything they learned and built something even better. That is SUI. Now here is the part where most people get confused. What makes SUI different from Bitcoin or Ethereum? Great question. Think of a regular blockchain like a single-lane road. All the cars, meaning all the transactions, have to go one by one. When traffic gets heavy, everything slows down. Ethereum has faced this problem many times. Fees go up, transactions get slow, users get frustrated. SUI is built like a multi-lane highway. It processes transactions in parallel, meaning multiple things happen at the same time instead of waiting in a line. This is called parallel transaction execution. And because of this, SUI can settle a transaction in roughly 400 milliseconds. That is less than half a second. It is incredibly fast, and the fees are extremely low compared to older blockchains. Now, let's talk about another thing that makes SUI unique, and that is its object-centric model. In most blockchains, your assets, like tokens and NFTs, are just numbers linked to your account. In SUI, every single asset is treated as its own unique object. Your token is its own thing. Your NFT is its own thing, and they can all be processed independently. This is a massive technical advantage because independent assets don't need to wait for each other. They can move simultaneously through that multi-lane highway. The programming language SUI uses is called Move. It was originally created at Meta for building secure smart contracts. One of SUI's co-founders, Sam Blackshear, is the actual creator of Move. The goal was to make smart contracts safer and more efficient, reducing the risk of hacks and bugs that have cost other blockchain projects hundreds of millions of dollars. So what can you actually do on SUI? Quite a lot. There is a growing DeFi ecosystem where you can lend, borrow, and earn yield. SUI has a native stablecoin called SUI Dollar, which is live and active. There are NFT marketplaces, Web3 games, social platforms, and apps being built every single day. The network grew from $250 million in total locked value in early 2024 to over $2.6 billion by late 2025. That kind of growth does not happen by accident. Now, here is something really important that shows you how serious this project has become. In early 2026, SUI became only the 5th crypto asset to get a spot exchange-traded product in traditional financial markets. That means big institutional investors, the serious money from Wall Street, started paying real attention to SUI. Multiple major firms filed for spot SUI ETFs. That is a huge vote of confidence from the traditional finance world. Now, Charlie is going to be honest with you because that is what a brother does. SUI is exciting, but it is still a young project. The DeFi ecosystem has had some exploits. Token unlocks from early investors can create sell pressure on the price. And like everything in crypto, the price can go up and it can come down. Volatility is real. So don't go putting money you cannot afford to lose into anything, including SUI. But from a technology standpoint, from a team standpoint, from an ecosystem standpoint, SUI is one of the most legitimate and well-built Layer 1 blockchains in the space right now. It solves real problems. It is fast, it is cheap, it is built by people who actually know what they are doing, and it is attracting serious attention from serious players. So the next time someone asks you what SUI is, you can tell them. It is a high-speed Layer 1 blockchain built by former Meta engineers, powered by parallel execution and a unique object model, with its own programming language, a growing ecosystem, and institutional backing. That is SUI. If this helped you understand SUI better, make sure you subscribe, because Charlie is going to keep breaking down the biggest names in crypto in the simplest way possible. See you in the next one.